Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to create group chat on Instagram using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to launch your Instagram app and log in your account. So now, you want to click on the message icon or button at the upper right corner of your screen so that you can see your messages. And now, you want to click on the create new message at the upper right corner of your screen. And now, just go ahead and search for the user's name of the person that you want to add on your group chat. So now, once you choose all of the users that you want to add on your group chat, you want to click on the chat button at the upper right corner of your screen. And now you have your group chat. So now you can now start messaging your friends in here. So that's it. That is how you create a group chat on Instagram using your mobile device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.